guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Monday, which means it's a Cricut tutorial, and it's also a Creative Sister tutorial, which means I went over to Katie's workshop and we got working on some fun projects. Today we're making wood pumpkins with stenciled paint. So the part that is Cricut is making the stencil. So actually this is a vinyl stencil that we used that you can find all of the products on Amazon in my Amazon store. So check out the links, check out links to find Cricut supplies on the cheap, check out my blog for lots of other things, click subscribe, all of that good stuff, and let's get going. All right, so to start we had these wood pieces that were just 3 pieces of wood stuck together with a bracket, and then you cut the corners off so that they're round, and then little tree sticks that you can find anywhere. I think these are birchwood tree, and all of this was made with scraps from Katie's workshop. So then we're gonna use her paint stain and just get it all ready to go by making it into paint stain by mixing it together with a lot of water. So this kind of makes it so that it's super fast and easy to use, and it also dries really fast. It's kind of like a stain, except it's not oil based, so that you can do Cricut stuff on top of it right away. So you can either paint these, or you can stencil them, or you can stain them, or like we've done here, we painted one completely red and then we used a stencil. We stained one and then we used a reverse stencil with just some paint, and then we also painted one completely, used a stencil, and painted the other side. And then once they're done, we're just going to use some E6000 to put our stems on, which is just a little stick, and then they are good to go. They look like 3 pumpkins when they're all done.